In this video, I'll show you a few tricks on how to fix in case your Xbox Series S or X is overheating. Okay, the most obvious thing you need to check first is make sure that your Xbox is placed somewhere where you have at least 6 inches of clearance from the top and the sides where the fans are. If your Xbox is on in this other position, again, make sure there's at least 6 inches distance through your wall and through your TV and other stuff like that, because this can warm up your console. Second thing, make sure that everything is clean. Sometimes dust enters these ports over here and there's not enough ventilation if these gets blocked over time. Now there's a few things that you can check on the Xbox itself that you can change to make sure that it doesn't overheat. The first thing, go into the settings menu. From here, go down until you see System, then go on the right side, select Storage Devices. And here you're going to see how much space you have left on your Xbox. I don't know why it's that, but usually when you are above 90%, the console will overheat. I have tried this experiment before and I always keep it under 90% just to make sure. Again, no idea why it's happening. If you know why, just write in the comment. I'm really curious. Now, if it's under 90 and your console is still overheating, what you can do is to go back into the settings menu, then go down until you select Preferences, select Capture and Share. And the first option here, Allow Game Captures. Press A on your controller and select Don't Capture. Again, I don't know the reason, but if you keep it at Do Not Capture, the console will not overheat. So these were my tricks so your Xbox won't overheat. If you have other ones that worked for you, please type them in the comments section. I'm sure somebody somewhere will be very grateful to read them. And if mine tricks didn't work, maybe yours is the answer of the problem. So thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.